How does your brain naturally protect itself from stroke? Imagine your brain as a busy city with many security systems in place to keep it safe from harm. When a stroke threatens this city by blocking or bleeding in the brain, these natural defenses kick in to limit damage and help with recovery. Understanding these processes shows how resilient your brain can be and highlights the importance of timely medical care. During a stroke, blood flow to parts of the brain is interrupted. This deprives brain cells of oxygen and nutrients, causing them to die quickly. But the brain doesn't just sit back and wait for help. It activates immediate responses to protect itself. One key response involves reducing excitotoxicity. When blood flow stops, neurons releases too much glutamate, a chemical that can overstimulate and damage cells. The brain's support cells, called astrocytes, step in to clear out excess glutamate, helping to prevent further injury. Another quick response targets oxidative stress. Without oxygen, harmful molecules called reactive oxygen species form, damaging cell structures. The brain counters this by boosting antioxidant enzymes that neutralize these molecules, acting like natural fire extinguishers. It also tries to control inflammation. While some inflammation helps clear dead cells, too much can worsen damage. The brain works to regulate this response, balancing cleanup with protection. Longer term, the brain employs strategies to recover and adapt. Neuroplasticity is a remarkable ability where undamaged parts of the brain reorganize to take over lost functions. This involves forming new connections between neurons and, in some cases, generating new neurons in areas like the subventricular zone. Additionally, around the injury site, astrocytes form a glial scar. This scar helps contain the damage and protect surrounding tissue, although it can sometimes hinder regeneration. The blood-brain barrier, which normally keeps harmful substances out of the brain, may be damaged during a stroke. The brain works to repair this barrier, which is crucial for preventing further injury and infection. Research has also identified natural compounds that may support these protective processes. For example, certain molecules like dimethyltryptamine, a naturally occurring substance in the brain, have shown promise in helping maintain the blood-brain barrier and reducing inflammation in laboratory studies. Vitamin E, especially tocotrienols, can promote the clearance of toxins from nerve cells and inhibit pathways that lead to cell death. Selenium, an essential mineral, boosts antioxidant enzymes that protect brain cells from a type of cell death called ferroptosis. Other plant-derived compounds like flavonoids and phenols are being studied for their ability to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, support blood flow, and help regulate immune responses after a stroke. While these natural defenses are impressive, they are often not enough to prevent serious damage, especially in severe strokes. That's why prompt medical treatment is vital. Treatments like clot-busting medications or mechanical removal of clots can restore blood flow quickly, minimizing damage. Rehabilitation therapies take advantage of the brain's natural ability to adapt, helping patients regain lost functions over time. It's important to remember that much of the research on natural protection is still in early stages, mostly in labs and animal studies. These findings need to be confirmed through careful clinical trials before they can be widely recommended. Always consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice on stroke prevention and treatment. The best approach combines medical intervention with healthy lifestyle choices, such as maintaining a balanced diet, exercising regularly, controlling blood pressure, and avoiding smoking. In summary, your brain has built-in mechanisms to defend itself against stroke damage, from reducing harmful chemical overloads to promoting new connections and repairing barriers. Natural compounds may support these processes, but they are not substitutes for medical care. Acting quickly when symptoms appear remains the most effective way to protect your brain and improve recovery chances. Remember, every person is different, so personalized medical guidance is essential for stroke prevention and recovery.